Nice. But yes, you're right. Alright, let's do some bomb ass formation.
Bomb ass formation.
Bomb ass.
Coming out.
Touch and goes. Tandem takeoff. All of that. Let's do it. We've been out of it for a while. Oh shit, so you're gonna be all out of it with this too now, right?
Timer cleared.
Yeah, I'm ready.
Gear up, flaps up.
It's alright, we'll be okay. Yeah. I'm ahead of you already a little bit. There we go.
Alright, turn. Stay closer so the plane's gonna be
Yep. I hate the blah stuff.
here.
So we'll stay as close as we can. I'm cool with that. I actually prefer that.
Low pass.
I'm a little ahead of you, so cut up. There you go, cut in front. There. Turn. Let's turn tight.
Time remaining 2 minutes. Landing flaps, gear down.
There we go. Stay in landing config or what?
Let's do another.
Okay. My flaps and everything are still down.
Yeah. Touch and go!
That's actually good for us to do because we're able to stay tight. Yeah, let's stay like this because now we're able to stick together. Look out for Jack. Oh, God. Please don't try to come fly with us. No, don't.
Touch and go!
We're doing touch and goes.
Time remaining 1
Touch and
minute.
go! Okay.
I got to cut up there to you.
Woo! Sing.
Sync. Yeah, we're there. We're still together. It's all right.
Way off the vision. That looks really good, guys. Yeah, we're trying to perfect this formation thing.
I think we're doing pretty good in this config.
Right up to him. Touch and go! Behind you!
We're good. We'll be good.
30
Right,
seconds.
Oh, that's perfect. Very nice.
I hit wind. Something hit. Yeah, right there. That's good though. We're right on. Yeah.
So
Well,
we see a nice roll
10, 9, 8,
I'm nowhere near needing to land, so
6,
Yeah, that's
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time expired.
touch and go!
I'm gonna speed up a little bit because I'm behind. There we go. From the back. There we go. Nice, sped up. What the hell?
Nice, you got out of the way
Yep.
quick.
I had to because I knew you were coming.
Nah, alright, should we do gear up?
Yeah.
And then
Gear
just like
up.
some nice passes?
Flaps up.
Flaps up.
Yeah.
Okay.
Nice passes.
Stick together.
Below eye level, yeah. Low pass! Nice and slow.
Go. I'm a little ahead of you.
There we go. Go
That
up.
was totally perfect.
Turn left. There we go. Back.
I gotta
Thanks.
keep your throttle a little lower so I can catch up.
Alright,
Okay, we'll stay out of your way. We got plenty of time.
If you're gonna do that again, let me know. I want to take
Do it. We're gonna do it right now.
Okay. Alright.
You gotta turn around. Okay, we'll be clear. Come on in.
Minute over.
Oh, I sped up.
There's bugs out here.
They are, and that's what got me.
Alright, coming back up. Same thing?
Yeah. So yeah, go over that there. That's a better place. I don't want to be in your way. Can you do it again?
Tandem low pass.
No, we're already behind. We're already here.
Cool. Alright, some fast passes?
We gotta wait for them. Wait for him to get his landing in, and then let's just go out a little ways. We see him. Wait for Mike to come in. Oh, he's going around, so we're good. Ready? God, the bugs are everywhere. Go.
2 minutes over.
Flip it.
Jack, your nose is way over here. Jack, you grab your plane.
Okay, he's landing.
Oh,
That was good. That's perfect. That's perfect.
Right? Oh, that was cool.
Do it again.
Alright. God damn it, you guys making me want to go buy one.
You need one. You need one, like yesterday.
Oh, no, we gotta stay high. Are we going up? Go up.
God, the bug. That's the problem with them cutting the grass. They make all the bugs come out.
Yeah. We gotta stay high.
Okay. Oh, what's with the bugs? Turn. I'm gonna flip up. Come underneath. There you go.
3 minutes over.
Should be good on this one. I'm going ahead. There.
Nice. Let's do another one around. Yeah, let's go around.
Keep your throttle low. And then I'll wait for you to come around. Turn around below. There you go. I'm ahead of you. Throttle off.
Okay.
Ouch.
Should we try and do like a really low and slow?
You can if you want.
Let's do it. Like a really low and slow. Not too slow.
Battery's still okay, so. I'll catch you, don't worry. I always speed up, that's why I stayed there. See, I'm already here.
No, we gotta do that.
Okay.
Yeah.
The fuck out of here.
4
Shit.
minutes over.
Fuck. See, this is why I don't want them cutting the grass. Because we never have bugs.
Oh,
Anyway, let's do it again. See? My throttle is off. I'm already ahead though. There we go.
nice. Oh, that was nice and low.
I'm coming in.
Alright.
We've been up for like 8 minutes. I think my battery's okay. What's yours at?
You guys were flying right next to each other.
Yep.
21.5.
It's time to come in.
Landing flaps.
One of you
Gear
needs to
down.
come in inverted dirty.
We're landing together right now.
Alright. We've been flying for like behind us.
7 minutes. The hell?
Luckily, I mowed it down there, so it should be real smooth.
I can't turn. I'm just gonna go get it. I'm just gonna go get it. I tried to turn it to make it spin.
You almost took off again.
I did.
Flaps up.
Oh, I make it. I'm good.
Five minutes over.
It was an 8-minute flight. God, the bugs are going nuts.
It says 8 minutes on mine.
Mine too.